It comes after 4 years in which his predecessor Donald Trump pushed hard to curb the flow of illegal immigration into the country. Mr. Biden is already reversing and rolling back several Trump-era policies, including freezing construction of the border wall and revoking the policy to separate migrant families crossing the border. He also plans to offer an 8-year pathway to citizenship for the 11 million undocumented immigrants currently in the country. We asked members of our BBC voter panel to weigh in on these actions. Here's what they said. Finally, when Trump disclosed his plans for the border wall, I thought it was pointless. It stood for a system of white supremacy. It was a statue for Trump. I'm glad that Biden is stopping construction. I know what it's like to grow up in a border city, with Juarez, Mexico, a few feet away. We are a proud Mexican city and we try to exemplify that in our culture and customs. The rhetoric divided people. There's a fence, but there was no need for a wall. A lot of my friends, Mexicans and Mexican Americans, said they'd just I'm glad that's finally halted and it was much needed. Here in El Paso, a lot of us protested against the separation of families. Traveling to a different country and being forcibly separated has to be the worst experience. I can't even imagine what these migrants are dealing with. I have a couple of friends who were born in the United States but whose families were deported.